Look at him trying to stay perfectly above me. What a little faggot. Alright, that's the true white and blue police helicopter. And he tried to fly perfectly over my head so that I could only record the bottom. There's a Cessna that's like Captain Sully. Look, they're both in the same screen. Almost hit each other. And then he turned to the side. He needed to get a video with perfectly over my head. I'm a soccer player. I juked 7-8 times back and forth, and he immediately responded, try to get perfectly over my head. I could tell when he was coming that he wanted to be perfectly over my head, so I started juking him, and he responded. He needed to be perfectly over my head for some bullshit King Saul cover-up. But that was the true police helicopter. That wasn't a military helicopter painted blue and white. And there's a Cessna that was recording it. So that's bullshit. That was the blue and white police helicopter that's harassed me for 2 years.